All right, for this next example, go ahead and save the file you're currently working on and then go ahead and open a new file. I want to show you how to create a handrail on a staircase using the Follow Me tool.
But first we're going to need to create a staircase, and I want to show you a really quick and easy way to do that too. Take the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle, something like what I've got on my screen. Then orbit into 3D and take push-pull and push-pull up a simple box. We're going to use this as our reference for our staircase. Now here's a great method for drawing a staircase. Take the pencil tool and go ahead and zoom in on this bottom front corner. We're going to draw just the run and the rise of the stairs. So go ahead and click and begin drawing some amount in the green and then up in the blue for the rise. Then hit the escape key to get rid of the rubber band line. And that's all of the staircase you'll need to draw manually. We're going to make an array. Take the select tool and select using the shift key to add to the selection set. Select both of these edges here. Then take the move tool, tap the option key to add the plus symbol to your cursor. That lets you know you can move a copy. And we want to start at this left endpoint. Precisely at that endpoint, click to begin moving your copy and move it to this top endpoint. Now before you do anything else, you have the option to create an array. Type in 4 and the letter X and hit enter. That gives you 4 copies for 5 total stairs. Now let's finish off this stair profile by taking the pencil tool and drawing from this top endpoint to the back. Everything went thin, and that lets us know we have another surface here we can work with. So let's just go ahead and pull out our staircase. So a quick and simple staircase. Now let's create a handrail that goes down it. First, I noticed that I drew this original box a little bit too short. So I'll take the push-pull tool and push-pull up just a bit more. Then take the circle tool. Zoom in where the door would be and go ahead and draw a small circle. It's going to be the width of our eventual handrail. Then take the pencil tool. Find the center of that circle. It's the point where it snaps and says center. Click to begin drawing out in the red direction. Now I need to zoom and pan using my scroll wheel and then holding the shift key for the pan so I can get a better look. Now draw in the red direction, hold down the shift key and reference this back corner. You're referencing the distance. Click on it, then let go of the shift key. You have a rubber band line that now allows you to draw in the green direction. When you find the green inference, go ahead and hold the shift again and reference this top corner endpoint. Again, referencing its distance and clicking on it, then let go of shift. Now we're going to draw diagonally down, so I'm going to go ahead and orbit around so I can see that a bit better. Go ahead and hover over this bottom corner endpoint, then pull away from it. You'll get a dotted inference that lets you know you're drawing from that point. Now I'm not being very precise about my railing. You could set up a lot of dimensions first to have your staircase be up to code. But for this quick example, go ahead and find a point off here in the distance and click to set that line down. Now your final line, draw down in the blue direction, hold shift to lock that inference, and reference this corner endpoint. Click on it, let go of shift, and hit escape to get rid of the rubber band line. Now that you've got your profile and you've got the path, you can use the Follow Me tool. First, let's pre-select the path using the Select tool. Go ahead and drag a selection window across these edges and hold shift to add this bottom edge. Then take the Follow Me tool, zoom in on the circle surface, click, and it will follow that path down to create a handrail.